Chapter 1, Section 1.4, Piecework. Question 3. We are looking into calculating. Definition of piecework is a worker receives a specified amount for every sale. Formula total pay is equal to rate per item times the number of items produced. Okay. This is actually going to be using algebra here. There's several ways to do this. This is manual feed, which is you put it in the copy machine one at a time. They're going to charge you, as a group, they're going to charge you 8 cents per copy. Hand fed, you stand there and feed each one individually. So we get the unknowns. Those are two things we're looking for. We know if we add the total machine fed and hand fed copies together, we get a grand total of 80 copies. So since we have two unknowns, we have to come up with a second formula to solve and get it. So we know that at 8 cents per copy, the number of manual fed, machine fed plus 20 cents per copy, the number of hand fed, is going to equal $13 total. Take one of the formulas and solve for one of the unknowns. We're just going to solve for x in the easier of the two formulas. And then we're going to plug the 80 minus y into the x on the first formula. So we're just go ahead and substitute, plug it in there. And then we are going to simplify the formula. 0.08 times 80 is 6.4 minus 0.08y plus 0.20y is equal to 13. Combine like terms. And then getting the numbers on one side and the letters on one side by themselves. And then dividing both sides by 0.12 to get y by itself, solving for y. And y, which is the number of hand-fed copies, we get 55 hand-fed copies. If the total number of copies is 80 and 55 of those are hand-fed, we solve for x, which is going to be 80 minus 55, and that gives you 25 copies for